Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. It's afternoon. I'm going to go pick up Chandler from school, and then we're going to the warehouse again and work on the boat for a little bit. I want to get it cleaned out so it's ready for everything to get done on it. I got trash bags, I got my air compressor, I think I have everything I need. Not too sure. I guess we'll find out when we get there. Back at it again today. Chandler's here with me. We're gonna clean up the boat as much as we really can anyway. But we found an entire pool in the boat. So there's that. But Chandler is a good worker. So we'll get this boat looking pretty by the end of today. Alright guys, this is my first time up on the boat. Chandler cleaned up in there. Actually looks really good. Can you shine a light in there?
Oh yeah.
And then the dash actually looks pretty good. The bilge pump is stuck. Everything works. Radio, drain plug. The fish finder's supposed to work. Seats are a little rough for wear. We got clean in these yet. Both sides. I want to make this. I want to repaint the floor eventually. I'm not sure what we're gonna find down there, but actually doesn't look all that bad, honestly. I'm quite happy with this. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. It's afternoon. It's a different day. As you tell, I'm laying on the ground. No one ever believes me when I say this truck is held together by chicken wire and a 2x4. Well, you're seeing it firsthand. 2x4, chicken wire, chicken wire. I'm in the process of taking the hitch off this truck. Slowly working at it. I got the hitch off. That went oddly smooth. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know we got a new septic put in. The yard looks a lot better. Looks amazing now. The amount of work that they do with those tractors and the amount of leveling just amazes me. But Hitch is off of there. Don't know what else we're gonna do today. I forgot to mention, the Suburban's not parked there anymore. It's parked over there, but transmission for it came. I was gonna do it myself, but instead of me dealing with it, I'm gonna take it to transmission shop and have them put it in, so that way it comes with a warranty. Usually I wouldn't worry about it, but I want to drive this thing to Arizona, so I like it to have a transmission warranty of some sort. And even though it's a used transmission that I bought separately, when they put it in, they warranty the work. So if they mess anything up, it gets covered. And that's pretty much it. But I want to go to Arizona to visit my aunt. And I'd like to take the Suburban instead of taking the Ranger. But I don't really know what else to do today. Guess I should go get parts, huh?